Nestlé operates at a massive scale with over 2,000 brands in more than 180 countries. Their global network, spanning production facilities to R&D labs, creates exciting opportunities for innovative digital infrastructure solutions. Like a chef orchestrating a bustling kitchen, timing and coordination are everything.
After moving the world's largest SAP environment into the cloud, we wanted to do networking different. We wanted to get to something modern, which is centered around the cloud, which gives us more modularity, more agility, more speed.
Recognizing this complexity became the catalyst for their network transformation journey, like a head chef redesigning their kitchen for efficiency. For a company of their scale, digital infrastructure isn't just about technology. It's the foundation that enables their entire global operation to function cohesively.
IT is really the only end-to-end across all disciplines of the business. We're connecting 1,700 locations worldwide. So it's vital that your IT environment is as agile and as flexible as your business is.
So like how a chef looks at different sources for their ingredients, they began searching for a partner who could help realize this ambitious transformation.
Singtel and Nestlé, two great brands with an innovative spirit. As we went through the process of vendor selection, Singtel really convinced us, particularly when Singtel introduced us to the Cube.
Singtel Cube is a suite of unified connectivity services that simplifies digital transformation and builds the foundation for future-ready enterprises. It's like equipping every chef with the same professional-grade tools, transforming how teams collaborate and deliver results worldwide.
Having more than 350 factories around the world who need real-time data. They need to know, do I have enough raw material? What does the business need in terms of production? You only get that when you have a single intelligent layer managing your network end-to-end. So this network architecture is the beating heart of what you do every day.
As their transformation progressed, Nestlé saw how an enhanced network infrastructure positioned them differently in the competitive landscape.
We wanted to have a model where we have the flexibility in the last mile, and our backbone is now a cloud-centric backbone that has given us 40% performance improvement. That's a tremendous improvement for the business.
This transformation represents not just a technological shift, but an ongoing journey with their company, akin to a slow, patient simmer, rather than a flash in the pan.
I started from wiring mainframe terminals, all the way to carrying the first PC into Nestlé Germany. Now to today, right, where we're doing another network transformation, and we're doing it with a new partner, which helps us.
Our journey together is like master chefs sharing hard-won secrets that only come from years of experimentation and refinement, offering valuable lessons to those looking for a similar transformation.
If I had to give advice, don't go first for the shiny toys. Make sure your foundations are in place. Think about your network. Your network needs to be AI ready. For us, the right partner is Singtel, together with the Cube, because it gives us the agility in terms of connecting our site, the resiliency of 24/7, all the way to the speed we need for the future of AI and the security around it.
With Singtel Cube, Nestlé unified their global network while honoring local needs. At their scale, this isn't just a technology upgrade, it's the perfect blend of global techniques and local ingredients.